Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make homemade raspberry syrup. The first ingredient for this syrup is actually a simple syrup, and they specify a 2-to-1, so a rich simple syrup, and I assume they're using white sugar, so that's what I made, a 2-to-1 white sugar simple syrup. And we need a cup of this, and we're going to put this in a saucepan. 1 cup is 240 milliliters. And what I'm going to do with this syrup is take it over the stove and warm it up a little bit. I'm not going to show you that part, just use a really low temperature and you just want it a little bit warm, just enough so that it can absorb the flavors better. While I'm letting my syrup warm up, I'm going to take 1 cup of fresh strawberries. I don't know a good way to do this. Can I pour them? I'm going to put them by hand. I washed my hands. You're going to have to trust me on that. And I'm going to put those into a mixing bowl, where I'm going to muddle them, and the recipe specifies a wooden spoon. I love a wooden spoon, and I'm going to muddle them gently, just to start breaking them down a little bit. After I've muddled my raspberries, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And 1 teaspoon is 5 milliliters. I'm going to mix them a little bit more. Now that my syrup is warm, I'm going to add that to the raspberries. And I'm going to mix them a little bit more. Now, to let this mixture sit overnight. We'll see you tomorrow. 1 good night's sleep later, and we're going to finish this syrup. I've got my bowl with the infusion going. I think it's called an infusion. I've got my bottle, my funnel, and my strainer. And I'm going to strain this into the bottle. The recipe does call for cheesecloth. I'm not going to go for cheesecloth. I'm just going to let it be as is. I'll be with you in a moment. Now that it's finished straining, seal that up and label it. And I have raspberry, 2-to-1, and today's date is April 11th. This should last about 2 weeks in the refrigerator.